We want to sketch y equals 2 plus the modulus of x plus 2. If we consider the modulus of x plus 2 here to be fx, we can see we have a graph of the form f of x plus 2, and we know that adding 2 is a transformation which gives a vertical shift of 2 units upwards. Let's consider first sketching y is mod x plus 2. As a first step, we know that we need to sketch y equals x plus 2. This is a straight line with gradient equal to 1 and y-intercept 2. If y is equal to 0 on the x-axis, we know that x must be minus 2. So our line goes through the point 0, 2 and the point minus 2, 0. We can now draw the straight line through these 2 points. And of course, we should label it. We now want to sketch y equals the mod of x plus 2. This is a function of the form mod f of x, and we know for this type of function we follow any part which is above the x-axis, and then any part which is below reflects upwards. Of course we must label this. This is y is the modulus of x plus 2. Finally, we need to apply the transformation 2 units upwards. So we'll get a V-shaped graph just shifted upwards by 2 units. This is y is the mod of x plus 2 plus 2. If it's moved up by 2, it cuts the y-axis at 4, and the vertex must be at the point minus 2, 2.